Hey, hello everyone. At this part, we're going to introduce a WLAN system conversation. And firstly, let's see some Ruijie wireless products. The first type is AP. And based on the situations where we use them, we can divide the APs into wall-mounted AP, indoor AP, and outdoor AP. Next is AC. Here you can find we have telecommunications layer-level large capacity AP and box-shaped small capacity AP. You can decide which one you use based on the network situation. And next is a PoE switch, which are used to supply the power for the APs. And we have, for example, 8-port PoE switch or 16-port, maybe 24-port PoE switch. And nowadays we have optical port switch, which have maybe 24 ports, right? And different from the standard, now we have PoE plus switch. Okay, next is wireless auxiliary materials. For example, the power supply module, right? For example, the arrestor or the antenna, indoor or outdoor antenna. And last is NMS system, which are used to manage the wireless network. For example, the first is unified NFS for both wired and wireless devices. It can be used to manage the wired network or the wireless network. And next is the WLAN network management convenience and WLAN network optimization convenience. And for example, now the most popular one is WISP. It can be used to manage and optimize wireless network based on one platform. Okay, after knowing these products, next, let's see the intelligent wireless devices. Actually, almost all the smartphones and the tablets we're using nowadays are certified by the Wi-Fi audience. And on the devices certified by the Wi-Fi audience, search for and connect to Wi-Fi signals nearby. For example, this picture, right? This is, you can see WLAN. We can use WLAN or we can access WLAN by using this mobile, no matter the brand, no matter the size of them. This is a wireless device. And the next is NICs, wireless NICs, because some of the smart, for example, smart equipments, they have integrated wireless NICs, while some do not. So at this time, we need to maybe install some wireless NICs for them so that they can access the network. Here it shows us 3 pictures, right? And nowadays, which we are using most is the last one. You can see that it's small. And for example, now I have a PC while it do not have an integrated wireless NIC. So I can use this NIC to access the wireless network. It's more convenient. Okay, and the last, let's see the difference. The difference between wireless NIC and the wireless WAN cards, because sometimes you will get confused. What's the difference between them? Just now we have mentioned that the wireless NIC is used for the clients, for the terminals to access the wireless network, while the wireless WAN card is an equipment that sets out signals. You can think that it's offering Wi-Fi signals or wireless signals for the terminals. And for example, with wireless WAN cards, I can use my tablet or use my mobile to connect to the signal set out by the WAN cards. Then I can access the internet. I can surf the internet. Okay, this is about the wireless system conversation, and that's all for this part.